boys and girls, this is Mrs. Feltman. I'm going to be your first grade teacher. There's my name right up there. My room is over by the music room. I'm sure all of you have been kind of that way. And if you come on in here, and I'm gonna take my mask off so you can see what I look like. And here is, I wanted to show you a picture of my family. That's my husband, Matt, my son, Bo, who is going to be 3 here pretty soon, and of course me. And we've had a very busy summer of doing things outdoors, camping, nature walks, and some canoeing. And so I hope that you have had a great summer, and now I'm gonna have you come on in here and take a look. This is our classroom here. Back here are our tubs that you're gonna be keeping your things in. You'll have an individual tub here with your name on it, and that'll be where all your things will go. Here is some of the flexible seating items that we will be using throughout this year. So, teacher's desk over there. And I'm looking forward to seeing all of you, and I hope you have a good end to your summer. And we'll see you soon. Bye.